Hello, welcome. Let us look at this question. So we have been told the equation of a line L1 is 4y minus 3 over 7x is equals to 7. Find the gradient of the line, of this line. Part B of the question, the equation of the line L2 passing through this point and is perpendicular to L1 in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So solution, part A, we have been told to find the gradient of this line. So we just need to write this equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus. Then m is always the gradient. So rearrange this one. So if you do that one, you take this x the other side. So you're going to have 4y is equals to, start with anything that has got x, that will be 3 over 7x plus 7. Then you divide everything by 4, by 4, by 4. So you're going to have y is equals to 3 over 28. If this one is simplified, 3 over 7 divided by 4. If we simplify it here, it will be 3 over 7 divided by 4. So this is the same as 3 over 7 times 1 over 4. That's why it is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. 7 times 4 is 28. So that will be 3 over 28x plus 7 over 4. So we have arranged this equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So we can easily see what is our gradient. Our gradient is, let's call it m1, is 3 over 28. So we have answered the first question. Part B of the question, it says find the equation of line L2 that is passing through this point and is perpendicular to L1. So let me just sketch them here. So I'm assuming these are my 2. So maybe this is L1 and this is our L2. So we know the gradient of this line, which is, we can call it M1, which is 3 over 28. We need to get the gradient of this one, which is M2, and it is passing through a point. This point here, let's assume it is here. The point is negative 2, 5. Negative 2, 4, sorry. So that is where this L2, line L2 is passing through this point, negative 2, 4, and it is perpendicular to line L1. So we can use the concept of perpendicular lines. So I'm going to say M1 times M2 should give me negative 1. So I have what is M1. M1 is 3 over 28. So it's going to be 3 over 28 multiplied by M2 should give me negative 1. So if you want to get M2, multiply by the reciprocal of this one, so it will be 28 over 3, and multiply this side by the reciprocal, which is 28 over 3. So if you cancel this side, you're going to remain with M2 is equal to negative 28 over 3 as our gradient. So after getting the gradient of L2, that is the gradient of L2, we have a point that is passing through L2, which is negative 2, 4, and then you choose an arbitrary point xy. So these 3 will help us to get the equation of L2. So we're going to say gradient is change in y over change in x. So our gradient is negative 28 over 3 is equals to, we start with this arbitrary point, we start with y minus the y coordinate here, which is 4, divided by x here minus the x coordinate here is going to be minus 2. So if you simplify this one, we're going to have negative 28 over 3 is equals to y minus 4 divided by x plus 2. So therefore, you can simplify this one, cross multiply. So you multiply y 3 with this one here, you're going to have 3 y minus 4 is equals to, this is negative 28 multiplied by x plus 2. So if you open the bracket, this will be 3y minus 12 is equals to negative 28x minus 56. So you can take this one the other side, you're going to have 3y is equals to negative 28x minus 56 plus 12. 3y is equals to negative 28x. This will give you minus 44. Negative 56 plus 12 gives you minus 44. So to get y, because you've been told to write your answer in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So you divide everything by 3, so that now finally y will be equals to negative 28 over 3 x minus 44 over 3, and that one is your answer. So let us meet in our next lesson. Thank you so much for watching.